In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pre-filled links for Google Forms. If you've ever wished that when someone opened your form, certain answers were already filled in, like maybe a default email, a selected option, or even a pre-populated message, this is exactly the tutorial for you. Pre-filled links can save time, reduce errors, and guide your respondents to provide the answers you're expecting without requiring any additional instructions. So let's dive in. First, start by opening Google Drive in your preferred web browser. This is the central hub for all your Google files, including documents, spreadsheets, and of course forms. Once you're in Google Drive, you'll want to look at the sidebar on the left side of your screen. Here, you'll find an area where you'll see Google's core apps listed. It can sometimes be slightly different based on updates, but you should easily spot the section for apps. Click on that, and then choose Forms. This action will take you to the Google Forms homepage, where you can access any existing forms that you've created. Now select the form you want to work with. You can pick any one of the forms you've previously made that you're planning to share, with predetermined answers. Once you open your chosen form, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. Here, you'll see the More menu, represented by 3 vertical dots. If you click on those dots, a list of additional options for the form will appear. From that menu, you need to select Pre-fill Form. This opens a dedicated mode that's designed specifically for generating pre-filled links. What you'll see now is your form as though you were about to fill it out. But instead of actually submitting it, what we're here for is to capture a link that retains the values displayed right on this screen. Now this is a fantastic opportunity for you to input any specific defaults you want. If you have specific fields you want pre-populated or particular options you'd like to be automatically selected, go ahead and do that here. Once you're satisfied with the choices you've made, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Get Link. At this point, Google Forms will generate a unique URL for you. This URL will remember and store whatever selections or entries were made on the page during your setup. After the link is generated, you'll want to click on Copy Link. This will put the entire pre-filled link onto your clipboard, which means you can use it anywhere you need, whether that's in emails, chat messages, websites, or even internal documentation. To ensure everything works perfectly, let's test your new link. Open a new browser tab and paste that link into the address bar. Hit Enter and watch as your form loads. Check to make sure the values appear just as you intended. If something doesn't look right, no worries. Just return to the pre-fill form mode, adjust those values as needed, and grab a fresh link. This ensures that everyone who clicks on your link will see the correct defaults right from the start. And there you have it. You've successfully created a pre-filled link for your Google form. This is a wonderful way to share forms with your audience, teammates, or customers, ultimately streamlining their responses and maintaining consistency in your data collection. Remember, if you ever decide to update your form later on, just repeat these steps to generate a new link that matches your changes. Thanks so much for watching today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and I encourage you to go out and start creating those pre-filled links. Happy form building! If you enjoyed this process, don't forget to subscribe and like the video for more tips and tricks in the future.